Okay, this is how a car engine works. I'm not sure what subject though. But car engines. First, you have a few departments. Like before you get into the engine, there'll be like a bag full of fuel. They don't want to ignite the engine straight away or else will use all the fuel. So sometimes, especially around a controlled amount of fuel comes down to the engine to make sure it doesn't just burn everything at once and make the car explode. The fuel, where there'll be an igniter that burns it. This powers some steam engines. To move up and down is the pressure. See, in the area where they burn everything, they release a lot of gases. See, and the gases goes from the combustion chamber to the pressure chamber. You see, this thing has a lot of gases. It pulsates. As it goes up, this is where the pressure pushes the thing up. But as it does that, then it fills up the gap and less pressure is there because of the pressure spread out. So this means that it will come back. This rocking motion, as you can see, moves. But here's the thing. This rocking motion actually triggers the motor. This is the motor. That the rocking motion flips about. This can go really fast, and the things that this thing can also have momentum that just flips it. Yes, there's more gases fueling. There's also an exhaust chamber just to make sure there's not too much pressure. So, and then the motors slip the momentum into the wheels, and then that's how it goes. See ya.